once again, this is Pritesh Raka. हम आप लोगों के लिए काफी informative and exciting content लेके आ रहे हैं. We have invited a lot of wedding experts and we make sure that we keep these videos short. Chale, let's go. Hello everyone, this is Pritesh Raka from iShell Wedding Podcast, and today I am sitting with Mr. Sunny Dahiya, General Manager of one of my favorites, destination wedding property, Oxford Golf Resort, Pune. Mr. Sunny has been working with top of the hotels across India and abroad. He has started his career with Taj Palace, New Delhi, and now he is the General Manager of Oxford Golf Resorts in Pune. So, Mr. Sunny, welcome and thank you for coming and having us here for the podcast.
Thank you, Mr. Pritesh, for being here with us. Thank you.
Okay, sir. So basically, we do this podcast normally to understand and to make our viewers know about कि ये property में आप wedding कैसे कर सकते हो, क्या advantages हैं, क्या disadvantages हैं, और किस तरह से अपने wedding को better बना सकते हो. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे आपके पास में clients आते हैं जो पूना से नहीं हैं, जो बाहर से हैं, abroad से वो लोग प्लान करते हैं अपनी wedding या किसी और destination पे वो हैं. So हम बस ये चाहते हैं कि they can see your property through our media and they can even hear you और समझ सकते हैं कि प्रॉपर्टी कैसी रहेगी उनके शादी के लिए.
राइट.
तो सर एक बार मेरे को आपके तरीके से प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में बताइए कि व्हाट इज योर पर्सपेक्टिव अबाउट दिस प्रॉपर्टी.
Well, if we talk about Oxford Golf Resort Pune, see, we are nestled into the majestic hills of Sahyadri, right? So, which is slightly, away from the chaos, the regular chaos of the city. So, it's more of a getaway, a weekend getaway, you can say, from that regular chaotic city hustles. Yes, of course. So, the entire property is spread into 150 acres overall. Yes, out of which 130 acres is the Pune's only 18-hole golf course.
Okay.
Yes. Then the resort property is spread across those 20 acres, wherein we do have multiple outdoor venues, multiple indoor venues. If I list it down, this goes to 12 numbers in all.
12 venues.
12 venues in all we have.
Okay.
Yes.
Great.
And 150 well-appointed rooms.
Oh.
Out of which we do have around 72 suite rooms. Then there are other categories named diamond, platinum, and gold. The area size, if we talk of the area size of the rooms, it starts from 520 square feet and goes up to 3,100 square feet, which is our presidential suite.
Okay. So 520 square feet is the smallest
smallest room, and even our smallest room has a spacious balcony attached with it.
Okay.
Yes.
Great.
And then if you talk of the suites, then there are like one bedroom, then there is a living room, there is a master washroom, then there is a powder room as well. Yes. And then our presidential suite, this has around this has a total 2 bedrooms and then total area of around what I told you, 3,100 square feet.
Oh, that's
yes, which is kind of biggest in the town.
So that can also become a venue.
Yes, you're right. So see, our presidential suite has been used as a venue in the past.
Okay.
Yes. So this can be a venue for those small parties.
Small parties.
Yeah, ranging in between 10 to 20 packs, somewhere in between.
So
yes.
जो घर में छोटे-मोटे functions rituals होते हैं वो तो वहीं पे हो जाते हैं.
हाँ, वो जो छोटे-मोटे rituals हैं in between bride and groom families, generally लोग उसको utilize करते हैं for these purposes. Yes.
Okay, sir. So okay, now I understand that you have almost 12 venues, 150 rooms, lush green property with a golf course.
Right.
But still, my one important question which I ask every general manager, why do you think this property is a perfect fit for a destination wedding?
Okay. So, if we talk of destination weddings, first thing that comes into our mind is we need to drive out of city, right? Out of city limits. We need to reach to a particular destination which is known for destination weddings and all, right?
Correct.
In our case, see, we are into a very close proximity within the city.
Correct.
So let's say the Chandni Chowk, a very prominent known place into the city, is approx 5 to 6 kilometers from the Oxford Golf Resort.
Correct.
And yet, see, this is away from the city chaos, as I told earlier,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So herein, once you reaches Oxford, you will experience that you are getting that privacy, you are getting, away from the city, and इनफैक्ट आपको उतना ड्राइव करके आने की या सिटी से कहीं आउटर लिमिट्स पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. सो दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स इट वेरी स्पेशल. यस, except for the venues and the hospitality that we offer. Yes.
Okay. And sir, कैसा होता है ना wedding, when we talk about wedding, Indian weddings, it's like, it's a different ball game altogether.
हाँ जी.
It's not like a Western wedding कि भाई एक function होना है, sighting होनी है.
Correct.
यहाँ पे इतने rituals होते हैं, इतने सारी चीजें होती है.
Right.
तो एक ना फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बहुत लगता है वेन्यू का.
Right.
अगर वेन्यू फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं है तो एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा नहीं आता है.
True that.
Guest का.
Yes.
So, do you think that you are very flexible, or how flexible your property is for weddings?
If I describe this into one word, we are extremely flexible. Yes. So that's the word. And to elaborate this, okay, I'll tell you. If we look into flexibility terms, the first thing that comes to our mind is we have to be flexible about the food,
Correct.
the offering that we have into food, different cuisines,
Correct.
right? And different and themed decors as well.
Correct.
To keep this flexible, we have appointed 6 well-known decorators from the town and 6 well-known caterers from the town itself.
Okay.
So, which all of them, they offers, a wide range of cuisines, a wide range of themed decors, so starting from Rajasthani, contemporary, then of course, every part of it is covered into this. Yes.
Correct. So you mean to say that these decorators and the caterers who are on the panel, so they can do their work. Like the hotel deals with the guest or the client with the venues and the rooms.
Correct.
And the catering part is taken care by the external party, or do you suggest that you also do catering?
See, we do also deal into catering part. Yes. There are certain requirements जहाँ पे people, the client are like कि we have a requirement of around 100 to 120 pegs only, right? For such requirements, मैं खुद अपनी टीम को catering के लिए prefer करता हूँ या हम advise करते हैं client को if they can go with us. Reason being, see, all the customized requirements, all the customized catering requirements can be met by our own team as well, but at the same time, see, if it's a huge number, big number, I will say 300 to 500, somewhere in between. In those cases, yes, this thing, flexibility that we just talked of.
Okay.
Okay, so we offer flexibility in terms of, advising them to go with the best of the panelists that we have onto our panel. Yes.
Okay. So you mean to say that if somebody is planning to do an intimate wedding, of maybe 120, 150 people, then your team is self-sufficient to serve them the food and
it is,
different kind of cuisine and everything. And if it goes beyond that, 300, 500 people,
right,
because you have 150 rooms, so I believe 100, approximately 400 people can be accommodated.
The total capacity goes up to 450 people.
450.
We can accommodate 450 people 400 very comfortably.
Okay. So if a wedding is comprising of 450 people, more than 400 people, then you suggest that they take the external caterer for a better experience.
Right. So this is how we deal with this. Okay. See, अगर catering की, food की हम in particular बात करें, Pritesh ji, I'll tell you कि how it works is कि there is an emotional connect as well.
Correct.
Right.
Correct.
We have experienced clients, those who comes with this emotional connect, wherein they tells us कि ex Maharaj या ex chef या ex caterer has catered into our multiple events since generations.
Correct.
Right. So they don't want to come out of that particular aura.
Correct.
right, which they have been experiencing since long.
Correct.
So us cases mein again the flexibility comes in, and we are very much flexible to accommodate such requests. Ki yes, they can go ahead with
Correct.
those caterers, those Maharaj, typical Marwadi Maharaj.
Maharaj. Oh,
Yes,
correct,
हाँ
correct.
जी.
So okay, so आप okay, so इसमें I think एक और एडवांटेज जो हो जाता है, जो वेज नॉन वेज केटरिंग का भी रहता है कभी कभी
Yes.
कि किसी को प्योर वेज लगता है, मतलब
जी,
स्पेशली
जी.
सर्टेन कम्युनिटीज इन इंडिया दे डू नॉट गो फॉर नॉन वेज इन द वेडिंग,
Correct.
and and there are certain communities where pure veg, so then their sentiments are also being taken care of.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So I'll add on to this. To take care of those sentiments, we have two separate veg kitchens
Okay.
dedicated for those catering partners only.
Okay.
हाँ जी,
Okay.
जो हमारे कैटरिंग पार्टनर्स हैं उनके लिए इन पर्टिकुलर इंडोर वेन्यूज के लिए एक सेपरेट किचन है, which is again मतलब can be used as per their requirement. If there is a requirement for veg food, they can utilize it purely for veg, or if it's a requirement for non-veg food, they may utilize it for non-veg food. The same goes with outdoor venues as well. Yes, we have a very well ventilated kitchen for outdoor venues as well.
Okay.
Separate kitchen.
So that is also an additional facility provided by Oxford to their external partner.
To our business partner.
So
Yes.
they don't have to get into that getting a external kitchen being prepared and
Correct,
then
correct.
start the
There is no need to put that separate canopies, this, that, ki they need separate areas. No,
Correct.
we have a very well ventilated spacious kitchen.
Oh, that's
Yes,
great.
for outdoors and for indoors as well.
For-
So two kitchens in all.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
And sir, if I may ask you, what is the biggest number we can take at this venue? Like, as you said that 450 people can be accommodated, can be a residential wedding.
Right.
But in case if we want to do a reception, so what is the largest
Oh.
number we can take?
Okay. Let me tell you. So for destination weddings, the number may go up to 450 to 500 people,
Correct.
which can be accommodated into our rooms,
Correct.
into our indoor venues as well, and outdoor venues as well.
Correct.
If we talk of day event only, so sometimes people want to have just their reception. In those cases, we can take up to 800 to 1000 packs into our outdoor venues,
Outdoor
which is the Golf View Lawn.
golf field.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Great. And what about the indoor capacity? So indoor, if somebody wants to do an indoor event, so what is the maximum capacity for indoor venue?
The biggest venue available with us is the ballroom, which has an area of around 6,600 square feet.
Okay.
Yes. So this can accommodate up to 500 people.
500 people.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Sir, we were talking about flexibility.
Okay.
Since you have told, flexibility about the catering.
Right.
Now, I also want to ask you, since you have 150 rooms,
Right.
is there any, binding or is there any limit for a guest to book minimum number of rooms or minimum number of people to plan a wedding here?
See, for now, we have not kept anything as such. We are, as I told you, very much flexible into the offerings. So we do accommodate small weddings of around, let's say, starting from 80 to 100 packs even.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So you can go with 10, 20 rooms if you need that. If the venue is available as per your requirement, we are open to serve you.
Yeah, I think I can, obviously this is my job to ask you.
Yeah.
But I know that we have recently done one wedding where there are around 80 people and then just taken 30, 35 rooms. Or
Yes.
Like-
Yeah. So this is what I wanted to justify. Yes, we are now into this only.
Oh, great.
So if you need 20, 30 rooms and the availability is there, the smaller venue is available. So then yes, definitely we are open to cater with that also. We are open to accommodate that number of size as well. Those, small intimate weddings. Yes, we are into that also.
So, sir, now I can see, you have lot of things to sell. Like
Yeah.
you have multiple venues, you have a variety of rooms, number of rooms are 150, then, huge golf resort,
Right.
then multiple facilities. But what is your unique proposition? What is your unique selling that this makes my property completely different from whatever other properties are available here?
Okay. To start with, see, initially it has to be the golf course, which is a 18-hole championship golf course, right? But combinedly, this golf course, this USP combines with our room size, with the venue size, the type of venues that we have available with us, in be it the outdoors, the indoors. Most of the outdoor venues, they have this thing, golf view offering. So this makes us a unique proposition in itself, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
And I think I have recently seen a few of the awards which you have received for these things. So
Oh,
if you
that-
can just tell us about that.
Yes,
also.
yes. That was back into 2023 when we were awarded as India. We were not awarded, we were voted, in fact. Let me correct myself. We were voted as India's best golf resort and India's best golf course by the World Golf Awards
Oh,
in
wow.
2023.
Oh, amazing.
Yes. So now we are again have been nominated for this. We are participating into this again for 2025.
2020.
Let's hope for the best if we
Okay,
get it for
great, great.
2025
All the
as
best,
well.
sir. All the
Yes.
Thank you, Sunny sir. Thank you very much. And being with me, answering all the questions. And I think this particular episode will definitely help people who are planning their wedding in and around Pune and they are looking for a destination within a city. I
Right,
think this will
right.
really help them. Thank you very
Right,
much.
right.
sir.
Thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you for being here with
Thank
us. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये content किसी के लिए important है, please share with them. And in case if you want us to cover a specific topic or content, please comment below. Thank you.